Affordable and functional. Low-cost, simple rooftop designs. For many homeowners, the roof is one of the biggest investments when it comes to their house. A high-quality roof protects the home from the elements and plays a major role in insulation and energy efficiency. However, roofing projects can get very expensive quickly with complex designs and premium materials. The good news is that there are cost-effective rooftop options that are simple yet functional. With some smart design choices, you can have an affordable roof that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Let's explore some low-cost, simple rooftop designs that could be great options for your home. Gable Roofs. One of the most basic yet practical roof designs is the gable roof. This triangular style has two sloping roof sections that come together at a ridge, creating vertical gable end walls. Gable roofs are incredibly simple in their construction, using just straight rafters to frame the slopes. Their straightforward design makes gable roofs very economical compared to more complicated roof shapes. Gable roofs have excellent water shedding capabilities with their slope design. They are great for areas that get heavy rain or snowfall, seamlessly moving precipitation off the roof. The peak shape also provides a good amount of attic space for venting and potential expansion down the road if you need more room in your home. For an ultra budget-friendly gable roof, opt for asphalt shingles. Asphalt is one of the most inexpensive roofing materials available. With just a basic gable shape and asphalt outermost layer, a new roof can be extremely affordable while still having decades of expected lifespan before requiring replacement. Shed roofs. If you're looking for an even simpler roof design than gables, shed roofs could be the way to go. A shed roof is essentially a single sloping roof surface and higher on one side and descending downwards in a single panel. The straightforward single slope makes shed roofs very cost-effective for materials and labor. Shed roofs work great for additions like garages, porches, and extensions. They create a nice streamlined look when attached to an existing house with a taller primary roof design. The shed can tie into that taller main roof structure seamlessly. Inside, the shed shape opens up a lot of vertical room for vaulted or cathedral ceilings in the new space. For shedding rain and snow, the single sloped panel does a decent job as long as it is angled steeply enough. However, shed roofs may require additional reinforcement in areas that see heavy snow loads to prevent excessive accumulation. From an affordability standpoint, sheds can be exceptionally low cost with materials like basic asphalt shingles, metal panels, or rubber membrane roofing. The lack of complicated slopes and intersections makes installation very straightforward as well. Flat roofs. While flat roofs may not be ideal for extremely wet climates, they can be a very economical roof solution in drier areas. True flat roofs are exceptionally simple in their construction without any slope or angles to deal with. The roof deck itself just needs to be solidly built and properly waterproofed. For residential flat roofs, the most common waterproofing options include roll roofing, spray foam, single-ply membranes, and built-up roofing using layers of materials. While some waterproofing systems like EPDM rubber can get pricey, others like roll roofing are extremely cheap. Beyond affordable waterproofing materials, flat roofs save a lot of money in framing and construction costs. No complex sloped framing is required, just simple horizontal roof joists. This makes flat roofs very fast and easy for a roofing crew to build out versus intricate pitched designs. Flat roofs also open up possibilities for usable roof space if desired. Homeowners can opt to have a roof deck or garden area installed right on top of the primary roofing membrane for an extra outdoor living space. Butterfly roofs. For those wanting a unique look on a budget, butterfly roofs could be the way to go. A butterfly features two inwardly sloping panels adjoined at a valley in the middle, almost forming the shape of a butterfly's wings. Despite the striking design appearance, butterfly roofs can actually be quite affordable. The key cost-saving aspect is that butterfly roofs don't require an excessive roof slope. The panels can have quite a low pitch, reducing the amount of materials and framing required versus a very steep roof pitch. This minimalist slope is perfectly adequate for shedding rain and snow, especially with proper waterproofing in the Center Valley area. Butterflies can be constructed using conventional roofing materials like asphalt, wood shakes, tiles, or metal panels. Framing them properly at the unique valleys can take some expertise, but overall they don't demand exotic materials or construction methods that drive up costs. For simple, low-cost butterfly roof waterproofing, homeowners can use quality roll roofing or rubberized membranes right over the framing. As long as attention is paid to the valleys and potential leakage points, these affordable materials can get the job done while complementing the home's architectural style. Frugal framing techniques. In addition to straightforward roof profiles, there are some great cost-cutting techniques for the actual structural framing that can lead to major savings. Truss roofs. Using manufactured roof trusses instead of rafter framing delivers very affordable structural support for roofs. Trusses are prefabricated off-site for consistent quality and optimized material usage. Spacing rafters further apart. Many roof designs can get away with spacing out structural rafters or joists further than typical 16-inch on-center spacing. By using high-quality manufactured lumber and spacing rafters at 24-inch or even up to 48-inch on-center in some cases, homeowners can drastically reduce framing material costs without compromising structural integrity. Open ceilings. For an added touch of rustic appeal while saving money, roof framing can be left open and exposed versus being covered by a finished drywall ceiling. This eliminates material costs for drywall, reduces labor, and creates an attractive visual of the structural framing. Re-roofing. If the existing roofing frame is still in good structural shape, a re-roof option skips framing costs entirely. Roofers can simply strip off the old outermost roof materials and install new waterproof surfaces over the original framing, saving tremendously on labor and lumber costs. Additional cost-saving roof tips. Work with existing roof lines. For an expansion or new construction, mirroring the primary home's existing roof angles and lines creates cost efficiencies. Using a different roof profile than the home's original roofing system may require complex transitional framing to blend everything together properly. Use low-cost materials. Obvious low-cost roof options include asphalt shingles and basic roll roofing like tar paper. But also look into affordable metal panels or even residential corrugated metal for rustic appeal at a low price point. Proper roof ventilation. While high-end ridge vents or solar-powered attic ventilation systems are great, installing some simple continuous soffit vents and roof louvers is an inexpensive way to promote good airflow and prevent heat buildup in attic spaces. Roof design software. Many roofing companies and manufacturers provide free software downloads. These digital tools help evaluate options and estimate material requirements more accurately to minimize waste and stay on budget. Compare multiple quotes. Never settle on the first roofing estimate you receive. Get at least 3 different quotes from reputable contractors to compare apples to apples for the exact same roofing job details. One contractor may wildly overcharge compared to the others for an identical low-cost roofing plan. Do your own tear-off. In many areas, homeowners are permitted to do their own tear-off and removal of existing roof materials before having professionals handle the new installation. This can drastically reduce labor costs otherwise charged by roofers for tear-off services. With some careful planning and smart strategies, it is absolutely possible to have an exceptionally affordable yet great-looking new roof installed. Don't feel like you have to sacrifice quality or style for cost savings either. Simple roof designs paired with the right budget-friendly materials and construction methods hit the sweet spot for low costs without cutting corners. Whether it's a basic gable roof, sleek shed extension, or architecturally unique butterfly, there are beautiful rooftop options in nearly any budget range.